So, another day moving dirty water. Just had a lovely weekend off. It is a Monday morning. Played a bit of golf yesterday afternoon with a couple of friends. Went and looked at some fireworks on Saturday night. And didn't do a lot else. Perfect. Now, people that milk cows will understand where I'm going with this, but have you ever had a morning milking when you've done nothing different than the time before and it took like half an hour less? I started the parlour at 5:15 this morning. On Friday morning I started the parlour at 5:15. This morning I was washed out by 8:30. On Friday morning it was 9:10. I did nothing different. The cows just flowed through really nice. None of them made any mess. Just a lovely milking to be a part of. So that's a good start to the week. Rob's away today and tomorrow. He's gone to Arla thing. Oh, we're full. So yeah, he's away. Well, he was here first thing this morning. He'll be back tomorrow afternoon to see us briefly. And Wednesday I'm at a funeral. Thursday's my day off, so the whole gang won't be back together until Friday. As you can see, we've got the baby tanker on again today. I was going to put the big one on, but it's been blocked in by the extension to the heifer calves pen where we move those bales out. There wasn't enough room to get in to get the tanker, so we're going with this one. If you look through the grubby window, there is the herd of cows, loving life. We're down to 17 now to calve. The end is in sight. We are close. You can almost feel it, the end of calving. Definitely starting to feel a bit more autumnal now. Had the old hat on this morning. If you'd like a JM Farming hat or any other type of merch, there is a link in the description. There's also a card at the end of the video, and quite often a card at the front of the video. We really appreciate anyone that buys any merch because it does help support our little channel here. Also need to say thank you because a lot of people again have subscribed recently. We are edging closer to that 20,000. We are now under 200. Now, I should have said whilst I was on the merchandise topic, I have ordered a very small amount of stuff to come before Christmas. So I've ordered some gilets and I've ordered some quarter zips. I believe that is correct, but only 6 of each. So I'll let you know as and when they arrive. But I'm not doing loads with merchandise just because I don't really have the time to do it. Hoping one day Claire at Cotton Eye Sew, who does mine as well as Ollie Blogs, Tom Pemberton, as well as many other people, she's a very busy lady, she may one day offer a direct to you guys service instead of me having to order it come to me and then go to you, at which point that would be much easier. But we always have a little bit of stuff in stock, so if you are after merchandise for Christmas for whatever reason, have a look. We have got some mugs left as well. We ordered some mugs. Anyway, I had a lovely night's sleep last night. You can always tell because you get these little tufts of hair. That means you've had a good night's sleep, apparently. Now, switching up the conversation entirely, it's really good to see that the NFU have really acted quickly in getting something together for all the recent budget news. So I believe the 19th of November there is going to be some form of gathering in London. I would absolutely love to go, but I will be working. But I have signed the petition. We're full again already. If you want to find it, just look up NFU go to the NFU website or find NFU on Twitter. That's where I found it, or X, whatever it's called now. And at the point that I signed it, they were trying to get 100,000 signatures and we had 90,000, so just shows there is a lot of support for the farmers out there at the moment, which is good. I'm glad. It would appear the ditch has got a bit thicker on top since we last had a go here. We're nearly down the bottom of the inlet, so we're getting somewhere. Now this pipe isn't quite as easy as the other tanker. The other one just sits in and you pull a lever and it's on. This one you've got to pull it up. That little half crook on, separate the big crook from the handle, put it on, lever it up tight like so, pull that along to vacuum. Of course everything gets covered in SH1T. Get back in, you turn off the radio because you don't want to be copyright striked, and then you just turn the power shaft on. and then you wait. We're making progress. I'm not going to empty the ditch today. I'll come back and do a bit more tomorrow. I want to set up the foot bath in a minute tonight for the cows. And the other thing that's going on today is we've got contractors in drilling wheat. We're not growing much. I think it's less than 20 acres this year going in. So one of the guys from Yendall's is here with a big 939 Fent, and I'm pretty sure it's a 6-metre combi drill, Amazon one. It won't take him very long at all to get that in the ground. But yeah, 4th of November, it's been a funny year. It's like some of the best weather we've had in terms of a dry spell. Now, still a lot of maize being cut around us, which will mean there's still an awful lot of corn to go in the ground behind it. You probably can't see very well through the window, but the inlet which is there, that was covered by water when we started, so we've dropped it a fair bit. Obviously this tanker doesn't hold as much, so we're taking less every load out of the ditch, which is a bit frustrating, but it is what it is. We'll take out one more load and then I'm going to set up the foot bath. I think the chap that's drilling might nearly be done. If he has, we can go and pick up the handler, because that's up there to load the seed into the drill. There'll be another job ticked off. It'll be lunchtime. Time to get the cows in then. Those pesky cows. Well, this is a bit bizarre. The tractor doesn't want to go into gear. Take the handbrake off. Clutch down. Forwards. It's telling me I'm in forwards, but nothing's happening. That's because the handbrake's not on. Let's go for the old turn it off, turn it on trick, shall we? It did something funny earlier. I've got gears again now, look. What was that all about? The first time I fired this tractor up this morning, none of this dash was working whatsoever. I didn't have fuel gauges, I didn't have any screen there, didn't have parking brake light, didn't have four-wheel drive light. Right. What was all that about then? I see we're getting towards 4,000 hours on this tractor. Better get it traded in, Robbie. I reckon a nice yellow fast track. That would do the job. Simon at Beers, if you're watching. There has been a new machine ordered. Or a deal done, I should say. We'll show you that when it arrives. I'm not entirely sure when that is. Hi, cows! We're starting to migrate back towards the gate. Also, have I mentioned how much I love the exhaust brake on this tractor? It is top notch. Coming down over the hill, perfect. Do not touch the brakes. Thank you, kind sir. Look at these lovely fresh sheets for the cows. Cool. They are getting spoilt. All ready for milking tonight. Foot bath is up. Rich is just phoning the chap on the drill to see if he's done. Go and put this one away. Right, tractor, see if you'll behave this time. Every day, that is getting bigger, that gap in that pit. We've eaten a serious amount of stuff already. The cows are milking well, so that's good. Shed here is rather full now when it comes to machinery, so we're just gonna slip ourselves in down here, out the way. Calves are looking happy. Yeah, see the big tanker is somewhat stuck in there at the time. Better way take my phone and my hat. Hello, heifers. Yep. Yeah, big tanker's sort of hemmed in by everything, so I can say that. Get that one out next spring. Right, just getting ready to go milking here. Plate cooler, that cools the milk. Put that in the foot bath, that's all ready. Abby's in there feeding the first line. And here are some cows. Hello, girls. Why have we done that then, Cal? First row in and on. Nice to see. I've got one thing here I need to fix tomorrow if I get a chance. The cord is snapped that operates our back gate. We've got a bit of bail string here, but it's just not as good. It's like tough to pull. Doesn't go through the rollers very easy. So I need to find a new bit of cord tomorrow and fix this. That cow shouldn't be there. cow trying to kill me. Right, milking's going well. Abby's just gone to let the other half of the cows round. Cow back here kicked her unit off, which is very annoying. Because the cows are going back into the cubicle shed now for the evening, they've got to go out the parlour and back round on themselves. We can't fit them all behind the parlour whilst we're milking, so sort of split them in half. Yeah, you can see the cows out there. They're now going round. They'll join the back of the parlour. There's a big empty space at the back there now. And then Abby will shut those in, and then we can open it up for the herd to go back out and round. There, look, full of cows again back there now, and some lovely frothy fresh milk. Cool. We're getting there, washing down. Gonna pick the foot bath up in a minute, but first we'll get the plant washing. We've already filled this bath up. We were waiting for some slow cows. The buckets to wash, lids to wash, so wait for that to empty a second. Crikey, we could do with some lights. Juno's been up and down already. Come on, light, where are you? I am here. Come on, light. There it is. Right, I need to stand out with the light. Yep. Change that. Nearly 13,000 litres in that. Oh, Juno's going off again then, is he? Making a lot of noise, not doing anything. There he goes. Hey, we've made it home. Another day in the life of farming complete. I know it's pitch black, but it's an early-ish finish, so that is nice as well. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you have. Subscribe if you haven't already. We are getting towards our magical 20,000 subscribers. We are nearly there. And yeah, we'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.